Hello everyone. So in this PPT, I will be covering the topic modern methods of advertisement and publicity. So let me brief you about this term advertisement. So advertisement is a form of communication, is a paid form of communication that promotes product or idea or any services to a target audience. Now, this advertisement involves creating and distribution of message through various mediums. So, the medium can be print form or on the form of television, radio, or any online platform or billboards with the aim of attracting attention or generating interest and persuading people to take a desired action such as making a purchase or supporting a cause. So the main aim or the purpose of advertisement is to inform, to pursue and to influence the consumer behavior. Coming to the definition part, so advertisement is a marketing tool used by companies and organizations to promote or sell their products and services to new customers in their target audience. Advertising is a primary component of an effective marketing strategy. It can take many different forms from print advertising in magazines and newspaper to television and radio advertisement and outdoor advertising such as billboards. Technology increased the advertising medium available to companies to reach their target market. Newer forms of advertising includes email marketing, social media, and digital advertising on search engine. Now, there are different features of advertising. The first one is persuasive. So, advertising aims to influence consumer behavior and persuade them to take a desired action. Desired action such as purchasing a product or we can say a service. It uses persuasive technique. Persuasive means you are somehow influencing the potential customer to purchase the product. Now how you are influencing these persuasive techniques can be emotional appeal, then some kind of logical reasoning can be, or any kind of creative message which can convince the target audience. Next point is targeted. So advertising is designed to reach a specific audience based on their characteristics and preferences. So here the advertiser first have to identify and understand the characteristics, needs and preferences of the target market in order to tailor the message and select the appropriate advertising channel. Next one is creativity. Now, creativity is somehow pervasive. You have to be creative in each and everything. And here we are talking about advertising. Now, in order to make people remember your brand or in order to make people remember your advertisement, the advertiser have to be creative enough. So advertising uses creativity and innovation to grab or to capture audience attention and make the message memorable. So what happened? The advertiser uses various creative elements such as catchy slogan they can use. For example, Surf Excel, Daag Achhe Hai. That is something creative which most of the people use. Or when we talk about Red Bull, so Red Bull, it gives you wing. This is something which is a very catchy slogan. People like these terms. Then memorable jingles or appealing visuals, or we can say they have engaging storytelling. So all these makes advertising stand out and leave a lasting impression in the mind of consumer. Next is paid. So correct. Advertisement requires a financial investment from the advertiser. So it means that advertiser pay for the placement and distribution of their messages through various media. As in the definition or in the introduction part I have mentioned that advertisement is a paid form of communication. The advertiser has to pay for the advertisement, only then it can be run on televisions or radio. Next one is mass communication. So advertising reaches a large number of people simultaneously. So it means that it is designed in a way that it have a broader reach and impact, which aims to create awareness and generate interest among a wide audience. Next one is repetitive. So advertising often rely on repetition to reinforce the message and increase the brand recall. So it means that advertisements are frequently repeated over time to ensure that the message is constantly communicated and remembered by the audience. So repetitively you have to put advertisement. Next point is measurable. So advertisement efforts can be measurable and evaluated for their effectiveness. Now how they can be measurable? So advertisement uses various matrices such as they have sales data, or they can see website traffic or brand awareness survey or any kind of customer feedback. So they can assess the impact and return on investment on their advertisement campaign. Next one is integration. So integration in advertisement is part of a broader marketing strategy working in conjunction with other promotional tools. Now it states that it works in conjunction with other promotional tools. Now these tools are public relation or sales marketing or the sales promotion, direct marketing. All these are done to create a cohesive and comprehensive marketing plan. Next is evolving. So advertising adapt to change in technology, consumer behavior and market trends. So again, the advertiser have to adapt to new advertising platforms. See, earlier we have traditional form of advertising. For example, we have this radio advertising, then we have television advertising. So those are the traditional form. But now we have new technology. We have the new form, new methods of advertisement, such as we have this online advertisement network, then we have digital advertisement, then we have banner ads, SEO, search engine optimization. All these are the modern methods of advertisement. So with the time period, the advertiser has to evolve and change according to the technology. The last point is regulation. So advertising is subject to regulations and guidelines to ensure ethical and truthful practice. So see, the content which the advertiser is showing must comply with legal requirements, such as there not has to be any kind of false claim or avoiding any kind of deceptive practices or adhering to industry specific regulation. Everything has to be taken care by the advertiser. Next is marketing versus advertising. So marketing is the process of understanding customers' need, creating product or services that meet those needs and promoting and selling them to customers. Whereas if we talk about advertising, advertising is a specific activity within marketing that involves creating and delivering persuasive message to a target audience through paid channels such as television, radio, print media or online platform to promote a product or service. Let's take an example. So the example of a new smartphone being launched in the market. So marketing is, the marketing team would conduct market research to understand customer needs and preferences, analyze the competitors and identify the target demographics. They would then develop the smartphone features, the pricing strategies and distribution plan. The team would also create a marketing plan that includes advertising, public relation and other promotional activities to generate awareness, interest and demand for the smartphones. Whereas talking about advertising, so advertising team would create persuasive message and visuals to promote the smartphones through various channels such as television, online platforms and print media. They would focus on highlighting the smartphone unique feature, benefit and competitive advantage to capture the attention of the target audience and encourage them to consider purchasing the product. So the difference is very clear. Advertising is a part of marketing. In marketing we have now we have 7 P's. So product, price, place, promotion. So in promotion we have separate promotional activities such as we have advertising, then we have direct marketing, public relation. So advertising is a part of marketing. So in this example, marketing involves the entire process. Here you have to understand the needs and preferences of the customer, then how the product will be developed, then what will be the pricing policy, what will be the marketing plan, everything is included in marketing. Whereas if you talk about advertising, the main and the most important work which is being done by the advertiser is to deliver a persuasive message through paid channels to promote the product. Next is the traditional methods of advertising. So the first one is broadcast advertising. So broadcast advertising messages aired on television or radio. It means that it includes commercializations or sponsorship or any kind of product placement that are aired during scheduled programs or breaks. So broadcast advertising allow companies to reach a wide audience and leverage the power of audio and visual storytelling. So the ads which you all must be seeing in television, all those are known as broadcast advertising. Next one is direct mail advertising. So promotional materials sent directly to targeted individuals through mail. So this form of advertising includes sending the promotional material. It can include postcards, then catalogs, brochures or any kind of personalized message. Direct mail advertising also allows direct communication with the potential customer and can have a highly targeted based on demographics or purchasing behavior. Next is outdoor advertising. So advertisement displayed in public spaces such as billboards or digital signage. So this category includes, they have mentioned about print publications or newspaper, magazines. So print advertisement can take place in the form of display ads or we have classified ads, then inserts. It allows companies to target specific audience and provide a tangible medium for conveying information about products or services. Next is product placement advertising. So integration of product or brand into movies, TV shows or entertainment media. So this form of advertisement highlights the product in a natural or we can say in a subtle way within the content, which aims to create brand visibility and influence audience perception through association. Next is word of mouth. So this type of advertising rely on individual who are voluntarily shaping positive experiences or recommendation about a product or service with others. So it normally occurs when they have any kind of personal conversation or online reviews, social media sharing or influencers endorsement. Word of mouth advertisement is highly influential as it leverages trust and credibility between individuals. So each type of advertising serves different purposes and can be effective depending on the target audience, budget, and marketing goal of a company. So by understanding the different types of advertising, business can choose the most suitable advertising methods to reach their desired audience and achieve their marketing objectives. The next topic is digital advertising. So, digital advertising. So, it basically means the promotion of product, same promotion of services, then brand, but here with the help of online channel or digital channel, such as we have websites, then search engines, social media, email, or any other mobile application. So this type of advertisement offer business the ability to target specific audience only, so that they can track campaign performances and engage with customers in more personalized and interactive way compared to traditional advertising methods. So digital advertising include a wide range of tactics, such as they have display advertisement, then search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, content, influencer marketing, and mobile marketing as well. Coming to the definition part, so digital advertising is also known as online advertising. It is any form of advertising on the internet, app, or digital devices. Some of the most common digital advertising format includes. So the first one is display advertising, creating pop-ups and banners on website to reach new audience. That is display advertising. So they can be this type of pop-ups or banners, they can be static images, they can be animated graphics, or even video ads are there. So this advertising helps businesses reach new audience and raise brand awareness by targeting specific websites or demographics. Next one is mobile advertising. So reaching potential customers through digital advertising methods on mobile devices. So it includes ads specifically designed for mobile devices only, such as we have mobile friendly websites or in-app ads, or SMS marketing is also a part of mobile advertising. This advertising allows businesses to reach potential customer on the go and target them based on location, demographics, or browsing behavior. Third one is native advertising, creating sponsored articles that blend in with regular website content. So these ads are specifically designed to match the style and format of the surrounding content, providing a more natural and non-disruptive advertisement experience. These ads can appear as articles, videos, or even social media posts. Next one is paid search advertising, which means bidding on specific keywords to appear in search engine result. So this is also known as PPC, that is pay-per-click advertising, which involves this bidding on specific keywords only. So when a user searches for any selected keyword, your ad appears at the top or side of the search result page. Now what businesses do, they only pay when a user click on that particular ad. So it makes cost effective for the businesses as well to target potential customers actively searching for relevant product or services. Next one is podcast advertising. So podcast means here reaching a target audience through ad placement in podcast. So these ads can be pre-rolled, it means played at the beginning, mid-roll, it means played in the middle, or the last one is post-roll, which is played at the end of the podcast. So this type of advertising allows businesses to reach a target audience based on the podcast theme or the interest of its listener. Next is the social media advertising. So here, targeting specific audience on social media platforms. For example, we have Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, then Twitter, YouTube, which offers various advertising options to target specific audience based on demographics, then interest or behavior. So social media advertising allows businesses to create engaging ads, promote the product or services, drive website traffic and increase the brand awareness. The last one is video advertising, which helps in engaging audience with dynamic video ads on social media or streaming platform. This type of advertisement, it means video advertisement, can be streamed or played before, during or even after a video. Outstream, it means displayed within text-based content, or in-feed, which means embedded within social media feeds. So this video advertising allows businesses to engage audience with dynamic and visually appealing content. So each type of this digital advertising has its own advantages and can be effective depending upon the target audience. So by understanding the different options available, business can choose the most effective or the suitable digital advertising methods to reach their desired audience and achieve their marketing goal. Then comes the modern advertising methods. So the first one is web banner. So web banner means displaying ads on web pages using images or multimedia object. Now same point, these images can be static, then these can be in GIF form or in a small video form. So what happened with the help of these banner advertisement, they try to attract the attention of website visitors and drive them to click on the ad for the more information or to make a purchase. Next one is online advertising. Online advertising already been discussed. So it is a kind of advertising where you promote the marketing message through the internet. This type of advertising involves a wider range of audience. They have specific target demographics and track campaign performance in a real-time base. Next one is mobile advertisement. Again, it is being discussed in the earlier PPT. In case of mobile advertisement, you will be using any kind of mobile phones for the advertisement purpose, where you will be sending messages or any kind of notifications which makes the customer influence and make the purchase. The fourth one is bandwagon advertising. It means here you are convincing users that everyone else is using the product or brand. So what happens in this type of advertising? It is a kind of persuasive technique. Persuasive means that convinces users that everyone else is using a particular product, and the idea here is to create a sense of FOMO. FOMO here means fear of missing out, and social proof, encouraging individuals to join the bandwagon and use the product or brand. Next one is promotional advertising. So using promotional media events or giveaways to acquire public attention. So this particularly aims to create excitement and incentivize the customer to make a purchase or engage with the brand. Next one is surrogate advertising. Advertising umbrella brand while indirectly promoting brand product. Surrogate advertising. Brand product, these type of advertising mainly is being done for alcohol or any kind of smoking item. So it allows company to maintain the brand visibility and associate with the brand product without directly promoting them. Next is pixel advertising. So advertising based on the number of pixels an ad occupy on the internet. It means that the advertiser here purchases ad space based on the size of the ad in pixels, and the ad is then displayed on websites or on online platform accordingly. Contextual advertising. Targeted advertising based on user identity and content. So here what happens? The advertiser are displayed based on the context of the web page or the user browsing behavior, ensuring that the ads are relevant and are most likely to capture the user's attention. Next is keyword advertising, paying for ads to appear in search engine result based on specific keyword, already being discussed in the earlier PPT. Next is blog advertising, reaching customers through corporate blogs and search engine marketing. It means that the businesses here can partner with influential bloggers or create their own blogs to share informative content, product reviews, or sponsored posts to promote their product or services. Next one is bathroom advertising, placing ad inside restroom facility in restaurant and bar. So this is one of the most interesting kind of advertising, bathroom advertising. Here what happens? The ads are strategically placed to reach a captive audience during a moment of downtown, ensuring maximum visibility and potential engagement. Next one is public relation advertising, PR advertising, but building and maintaining a brand image through public relation effort. So it means it includes activities such as press release, media relations, event sponsorship and community involvement to create a positive perception of the brand among the target audience. Guerrilla advertising, using unconventional interaction to promote a product or service. Here, the business aims to create a memorable and impactful experience for the target audience by leveraging surprise, creativity, and non-traditional marketing strategies. The last one is testimonials and endorsements. So using written or spoken statement from individual or organization to promote a product or brand. So each type of advertising serves different purpose and can be effective depending on the target audience, campaign goals and budgets. By understanding the various methods available, business can choose the most suitable advertising strategies to reach their target market and achieve their marketing objectives. Next one is publicity. So before starting with this topic, it is important to understand the significance in today's fast-paced and interconnected world. So in a crowded marketplace where competition is fierce, capturing the attention of the target audience and standing out from the crowd has become increasingly challenging now. This is why publicity comes into the play. So publicity is a powerful tool that enables the individual, businesses and organization to create awareness, share public perception and build a positive reputation. But then by strategically information through various channels such as we have this media outlets, then social media platforms and events, publicity plays a very important role and its aim is to generate interest, then establish the credibility and ultimately influence the opinion and behavior of the target market. So in this introduction, we will explore the various aspects of publicity and the modern methods used to effectively promote and communicate the message in today's dynamic and digital landscape. So coming to the definition, so it refers to the act of generating public awareness and attention for a person, brand, product or even through various media channels. Media channels I have already discussed. Next is the modern methods of publicity. So the first one is social media marketing. So utilizing popular social media platforms. Now social media platforms here can be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube to create and share content that general public interest, engaging with the audience and promote a brand, product or event. Now the second one is influencer marketing. So collaborating with influential individual on social media to endorse and promote a brand or product and leveraging their loyal following. Third one is content marketing. So content marketing basically means creating and distributing valuable, relevant and engaging content such as we have blog posts, videos, infographics and podcasts to attract and engage the target audience, positioning the brand as an industry authority. Next, search engine optimization, also known as SEO, optimizing websites content to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine result, increase the organic traffic. So basically this SEO optimize the website, improve the visibility, which helps to increase the organic traffic and generate publicity by ensuring that the brand or the product is easily discoverable by potential customers. Next is the online public relation. So using online platforms and distribution services to disseminate news and information to a wider audience, generating media coverage. Viral marketing. So viral, the word says, reaching a wider audience, widespread attention. That is viral marketing. So creating and promoting content that is highly shareable and has the potential to go viral, spreading rapidly and reaching a large audience. That is viral marketing. Next one is influential public relations. So collaborating with influencers to leverage their influence and reach for brand visibility and credibility. User generated content. So encouraging customers or followers to create and share content related to brand or product. So this user generation content, content can include reviews, testimonies, then social media posts or videos. Next one is event marketing. So event marketing means where organizing or participating in an event, conference or any kind of trade shows, webinars to show a brand or product or service. That is email marketing. And the last one is online advertising. So online advertising already been discussed. It means various ads such as display ads, then search engine ads, social media ads, native ads, how they reach to a target audience and generate publicity. So online advertising allows for precise targeting and measurement of campaign effectiveness. So these are the modern methods of publicity that powers the technology, digital platforms and social media network to reach a wider audience, engage with customers and create a buzz around a brand, product or event. Thank you.